Most people spend months trying to hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. I got there in 30 days, and the strategy wasn't what anyone expected. The secret isn't grinding out more content or begging people to subscribe. It's understanding one simple truth, that YouTube doesn't advertise. The platform doesn't care about you. It cares about viewer satisfaction. When you upload a video, YouTube runs a test. It shows your content to a small group, watches how they react, and decides if you deserve more reach. People stay and engage, you win. They click away after 10 seconds, you're done. This isn't about fairness. It's about keeping 2 billion people glued to their screens. Out of every 100 channels created, only 3 ever reach monetization. That's the stat nobody talks about when they're selling you courses. The average channel takes 15.5 months to get 1,000 subscribers, but channels using a specific dual format approach, they cut that time by 41%. I discovered this accidentally. My first 12 videos flopped. Decent content, solid editing, topics I thought people wanted. Total subscribers after 3 weeks: 47. I was about to quit when I checked my analytics and noticed something strange. One video had terrible views, but an insane conversion rate. For every 100 people who watched it, 11 subscribed. My most popular video, only 3 out of every 100. Views don't equal subscribers, nobody tells you that. So I stopped chasing views and started reverse engineering what made people actually click that button. Turns out, YouTube Shorts generate 16.9 new subscribers per 10,000 views. Regular videos, just 11. But here's the twist. Shorts alone won't get you monetized because you need 4,000 watch hours or 10 million short views in 90 days. That's why most creators using only Shorts never make money. The strategy that works combines both formats like a 1-2 punch. Shorts act as your discovery engine. 74% of people watching them aren't subscribed to you yet. They're strangers scrolling through an endless feed who might stumble onto your channel. One short hits 100,000 views. That's roughly 169 new subscribers walking through your front door. But those subscribers need a reason to stay. That's where your long-form content comes in. 8 to 20-minute videos that actually solve problems, tutorials, deep dives, evergreen content that keeps working months after you post it. I've got a video from 6 months ago, still pulling in 700 subscribers every single month because it answers a question people keep searching for. Most creators get this backwards. They either spam shorts, hoping for virality, or ignore them completely while wondering why nobody finds their channel. The channel's growing 3 times faster than everyone else. They're running both formats simultaneously, and they're doing it with ruthless consistency. But consistency doesn't mean what you think it means. I learned that the hard way, and what I discovered about upload schedules changed everything. The difference between channels that stall out and channels that explode comes down to one specific timing strategy that most people completely overlook. I checked my analytics and found something nobody talks about. Your upload schedule matters less than when your existing audience is actually online. Posting 3 times a week at random hours. Pointless. Posting twice a week, right before your viewers open the app. Game changer. YouTube Studio shows you exactly when your subscribers are active. Most creators never look at this data. I started publishing my shorts at 7 in the morning and my long-form content on Wednesday evenings. Same effort, triple the initial reach. The algorithm rewards videos that grab attention immediately after posting. Early engagement tells YouTube your content is worth spreading. Here's what actually moves the needle in those first 30 days. Your thumbnail and title need to make someone stop scrolling. Not because they're flashy, because they promise something specific. I spent weeks testing this, Generic title like YouTube Growth Tips got a 4% click-through rate. Specific title like Why Your First 10 Subscribers Matter More Than Your First 1,000 hit 11%. That difference is massive. Every 100 people who see your video, 7 more click. Over a month, that compounds into thousands of extra views. But clicks mean nothing if people leave after 5 seconds. Retention in that first half minute determines everything. I used to waste 20 seconds with intros and logos. Now, I confirm the payoff immediately. Show the result, tease the method, then deliver. A video promising to explain why most channels fail better. Show a failed channel in the first 10 seconds. Give people a reason to stay before they remember they have other options. Your description and tags aren't just metadata, they're instructions for YouTube's search system. The algorithm can't watch your video, so it reads your text. Put your main keyword in the title, front-load it in the description, use it in your tags. Sounds basic, but half the creators I analysed skip this completely. Their content never surfaces in search because YouTube doesn't know what it's about. Engagement signals matter more in 2026 than they did 2 years ago. Comments, likes, shares, YouTube tracks all of it. I started ending videos with actual questions instead of generic calls to action. What's your biggest struggle with this? Gets responses. Let me know in the comments. Gets nothing. Real engagement from real people tells the algorithm your content sparked something worth amplifying. Collaborating with other creators isn't optional anymore. It's the fastest way to tap into an audience that already trusts someone in your space. Find channels slightly ahead of you, not massive ones that won't respond. Offer value first. A shout-out, a feature, a genuine connection. When you appear on someone else's channel, you're borrowing their credibility. Their subscribers see you as vetted, not random. 30 days isn't magic. Some of you will hit 1,000 subscribers in 3 weeks. Others might take 2 months. The difference isn't luck. It's whether you're optimizing for viewer satisfaction or just uploading and hoping. YouTube rewards creators who understand what it actually wants. Not more content, better signals. You're not fighting the algorithm. You're learning to speak its language. Every video is a test. Every result is data. Pay attention, adjust, and the number starts moving faster than you expected. I used to think growing on YouTube was about cracking some secret code. It's not. It's about accepting that the platform has rules, learning what they are, and building your content around them instead of against them. The dual format strategy works because it aligns with how YouTube actually distributes content in 2026. Shorts find people, long form keeps them. Consistency trains the algorithm. Optimization makes every upload count. You don't need expensive gear or a massive team. You need clarity on what you're making, who it's for, and why they should care. Most channels fail because they're optimized for the creator's ego instead of the viewer's experience. The ones that grow understand the difference. 30 days from now, you'll either have momentum or you'll have excuses. The information is right here. What you do with it determines whether your channel becomes one of the 3% that actually makes it, or just another abandoned project collecting digital dust. The algorithm doesn't care about your potential. It cares about your execution. Start testing, start learning, and watch what happens when you finally give YouTube what it's been asking for all along.